African woman. Oh my lover, Unyemo, you're my African woman. I sing for all African women. I can't just explain how I feel. Strong in rough season, the African woman.